All right, so I work from home, and between my regular job and my side job, I can easily spend 10 to 12 hours a day sitting at a desk. And usually my knees are the first one to start complaining. This chair gives me so many ways to change positions without really having to leave my desk, get up, walk, and stretch out every 5 minutes. So I'm really loving that. Now, full disclosure, the brand did send me this AMSEATEC big and tall office chair to check out, and I do want to show you how it's actually been working for me during my long days at the computer. All right, now the biggest difference for me really is this pull-out footrest. You just slide it out, flip the pad from underneath the seat, and then you can just stretch your legs out. I can also bring my feet up and sit in different positions, or even sit like a crisscross applesauce Indian style. So these positions feel much more comfortable with me throughout the day rather than sitting just straight up. Now, I know obviously we all want to sit perfectly ergonomically all day, but when you've been in a computer for as many hours as I have, sometimes the best position is just simply a different position. Am I right? So the backrest also changes positions too. Now the listing does give this a reclining range of like 90 degrees straight upwards to 135 degrees. That's not completely flat, but it does get surprisingly far back. And underneath the chair, there is a controller lock that lets you find the angle you want and lock it into place or position. Now, once you have the lock in place, it will stay there until you release the lock. It will not move until you release the lock, and then it'll move again, and you can fix it however you want to. But of course, you can also raise and lower the seat. It's not just the back that moves. Now, sometimes I do want to sit lower, but when I'm at my bigger, larger desk, I do want to sit up higher so my arms are kind of level with the keyboard and I'm just more comfortable typing. So being able to adjust both the height of the chair and the back angle makes it so much easier to set up for whichever desk I'm using and just whatever position I need to feel comfortable in that moment. And speaking of being comfortable, this is comfortable when you're sitting in it several hours a day. It's very padded. The listing does say the seat contains like 20 spring packs, but from what I can tell you, actually sitting in it, the cushion feels soft but also supportive. And I do like the diamond stitching that it gives this like a more polished executive look without looking out of place in a home office, which is great. Sometimes I'm on video for meetings and I like to just look like I have a nice setup. The wheels also roll around very smoothly for me. I can move around from side to side in my work area, my desk, and switch between my different computers and monitors. And I've not had any trouble kind of rolling to the position that I need. Now, the one thing I do want to say is the large box that this comes in made me wonder whether I could assemble it alone. I was kind of scared of it at first. But the instructions broke it down really simple into like 4 main easy steps, and I was able to put this chair together all by myself. The longest part was really just tightening the screws securely with the T-shaped Allen wrench that came in the box. But it was, once I got the instructions out, it was not intimidating at all. It was actually very super easy to put together. So overall, this has been a very comfortable chair for the way that I actually need it for work. So I hope that helps. All right, the link to grab this one is down in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you found this one helpful, please go ahead and give me a follow and like so you don't miss any of our next reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.